Hello champs, in this video we are going to talk about how to make neon glowing effects. How do you make your scene with bright colors and saturation, but at the same time not burning your eyes? Yeah, it's hard. For me, for a long time, it was hard to be able to make colors saturated and bright and show how strong certain things were without killing my viewers' eyes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make everything shiny and at the same time, how do you keep it on the good level, in a specific tip that I believe not many people have told you about. And it was a shock for me to learn that. Heck yeah, let's keep on going for the speed paint of this amazing commission. So in this commission, it's pretty much big demon werewolf boy, bad boy. Oh yeah, the classic. We start by adding base colors, we start by just setting position of everything, we start by doing shadows and making everything look good on the specific place, with everything on the right way. Yay! What could go wrong? Haha, the wings. The wings, they are so bright. They are all the light in this world. So how to set up the light there? I was thinking, light stronger middle point. Corners can have light, yes, but not as strong. Remember that. Middle area, stronger. Getting to the corners of the drawing, weaker. You become weaker so you can have other points stronger and just become harmony and peace in your painting. Yay. After taking all your time to add the base colors and do everything, you're going to find yourself, I have added basic shadow, I have added basic light. How can I make this look like it's glowing without look like it's killing my eyes? So the first thing you gotta do, it is just add a new layer of airbrush around your wings, or around the thing that you want to make it shine. It can be on screen mode, it can be on color dodge mode, it can be on soft light mode, it can be on normal mode, but add a bright color close to the tone that you want it to be. In my case, yellow, orange, and add around those wings. It's going to look like it's shining, it's glowing, it's wow, amazing, incredible. And not only that, inside of the wings, you gotta choose some places to be brighter and other places to be darker. Gaps, how the frick do I choose? I recommend, what I did here is thinking, everything that is closer to the insides of the wing, okay, everything that is closer to the inside, to the meat, like to the veins, to any part of the body, not only just feathers. I made it much brighter. You can see on the layers of feathers, when it's close to being behind another feather, I just made it glow even harder. That is what I was thinking. Final area of the wings glowing. So yeah, you just make it shining on those specific points. And not only that, remember to make a smooth gradient on your whole neon area. Okay? Darker part, and then it becomes brighter. Darker part, and then it becomes brighter. Look at the feathers. At the end, darker, at the left side, okay? Darker, and then closer to the roots, it becomes brighter. And then again, and again, and again. Do it again, and again. And not only that, now is the special tip that I was holding. Haha, the special number 1 tip. Maybe to make things glow, you gotta take out saturation, take out contrast, take out everything very close to that glow. This is my biggest lesson on this painting, is that if I want to make something glow, if I want to make something shine bright like a diamond, I gotta make in the same object, in this case the wings, I gotta make it gray. Yeah, crazy, right? Cringe. I gotta make it gray. On the final results, you guys gonna see that there is a lot of gray in the wings. I added a lot of gray to just go like, okay, if I really want to make this specific area shiny, I need to make a sacrifice. So was there going to make that sacrifice, and I did a sacrifice. That's it. Always remember yourself of that balance. If you're going to be brighter with contrast, saturation and everything, the other side's not going to. Another thing is, when there is a high glowing, high contrast, high everything scene, we tend to make everything on the same strength. No, don't do it. Remember hierarchy. Certain places are going to glow extra strong, in this case the wings. Second place, the claws and the horns in the head, not in the face, in the head. And then the rest is not so important compared to all of those that I just said right now. So have a hierarchy of who is going to shine brighter, who is not going to shine brighter, and even that you really want to, you're going to hold yourself because you understand you're telling a story and you want people to look at a certain point and not every everywhere and getting lost in, oh my freaking life, what is happening, mayday, mayday, no. No. And of course, never forget to, at the end of your artwork, you tried your best. You tried everything you could to make the right colors, the right combination, the right saturation, the right everything. And you know what? It can even look not as good as you wanted. So take your time to use curves, to use camera raw filter, to use color balance, to use effects on your brush, to use anything you can to give it the final touch. I always do a final step of adjusting everything that I can. Always, no matter what, I always do that. And why I always do that step? Because I know that even if I'm trying my very best through all of the process, the 10 hours, the 20 hours, there are things that I'm not going to notice. There are things that no matter how much I try, I'm not going to notice. So that's why, for that final step, just take a step away from your drawing, forget your drawing for at least one day, and then you come back well rested, with energy, like you're there like, okay, I have so much energy, yeah! This way, okay? This way, and now you're going to draw it, and you're gonna notice, oh, it's so much easier to just fix this color and this color, now it's looking much better, because you are well rested, and you came to your drawing with one objective. Fix colors, and that's a great tip too. There is a specific thing happening in this drawing to make it look compelling to our eyes, and that thing is I'm using a complementary color scheme. Yeah, I'm using blues of the character fur, at the same time the oranges of the wings, and blue with orange go very well together. These two make a great combo, and I recommend you studying color theory. Comment down below if you want me using more color theory or telling you guys how it works, just giving a tutorial, giving a class about it. Color theory can help you in so many ways to just improve how people look at your artwork. The first blink, okay, the first blink they take out your drawing, they're going to be like, wow! they are going to do exactly this reaction, trust me. So yeah, with this reaction, I'm sure you're going to get much more attention, because as artists, we like getting attention on our artwork. We do enjoy that. So just go and make colors that combine well together. And remember, only one can be the strongest. You can get a second place, a third place, but only one is the color that is the number one strong one. Only if it's an exactly battle theme, like orange versus blue, and at one side there's the orange team and the other side the blue team. Otherwise, I believe that's not something that we are going to use so much. So yeah, always one color being the main dominant, and the rest a little bit less dominant, a little bit less dominant, until it fades away into shadows and darkness. So yeah, this is a very important tip. Remember to use colors that combine well together. There are so many tools online for free for you to see which colors go well together, or just pretty much search color theory and you're gonna find it. Or my tutorial on YouTube about color theory. Both ways, you are great to go. You're amazing to go. I know you're going to do an amazing, excellent job. I trust you, champ. Let's go, champ. Oh! Hope you enjoyed. This artwork is completely safe and educative. I see it. Link in the description for the all-in pack with other art tutorials that I have done, and like the full process of this artwork that you're seeing right here, the full process. Heck yeah. Thank you for watching. You're amazing, champ. Never give up on your drawings. I know you're doing your very best, and I am proud of you. Bye bye.